Organizing your daily schedule efficiently is key to increasing productivity and reducing stress. By implementing a few simple techniques, you can optimize your time and ensure that each day runs smoothly. Start by creating a clear to-do list. This will help you see what needs to be done and prioritize activities better. Come on, watch this video to the end, and don't forget to follow. Like the video and leave a comment to give feedback. Once you have a list, use methods like the Eisenhower matrix to classify tasks based on urgency and importance. Important and urgent tasks should take precedence, while less important tasks can be scheduled later or delegated. This will help you focus on things that really need to be completed and avoid feeling overwhelmed. One way to manage time is to set a time limit for each task. Instead of working non-stop, give yourself a specific time to get the job done. This encourages you to stay focused and increases efficiency. For example, set a timer for 25 minutes to work mindfully before taking a short break. Schedule time off in your routine to keep energy up and focus. Taking a small nap or simply walking outside can refresh your mind. Feel free to switch up activities too. Monotonous routines can often demolish morale and productivity. Next, use digital apps or tools to help plan your schedule. Many task management apps can remind you of deadlines and help organize tasks more easily. Choose the one that best fits your lifestyle, and take advantage of existing features to maintain order. When facing a busy day, do not hesitate to set priorities. Sometimes you have to learn to say no. Focus on the most crucial tasks and manage other people's expectations of you. Planning time for fun things is also important. Be sure to give yourself moments to relax. Finally, evaluate your daily schedule periodically. Take time to reflect on what works and what needs to be improved. By making the necessary adjustments, you will find better patterns and increase overall productivity. Setting a daily schedule is not only about completing tasks, but also creating a balance in life. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have anything to ask. And don't forget to follow TikTok Main Meps Success for interesting information about other self-development. Thanks for watching.